Hey there, fellow seekers of financial harmony. Welcome back to another episode of Wealthy and Well with yours truly, Mason. Today, I want to delve into a topic that might seem mundane at first glance, but trust me, it holds the key to unlocking a clearer mind and a more peaceful existence. We're talking about decluttering your financial records. Now I know what you're thinking. How can organizing paperwork have any impact on my well-being? Well, my friends, let me tell you, it's all about the deeper connections we often overlook. Aspects of decluttering your financial records. 1. Simplicity. When we declutter our financial records, we are simplifying our lives. We're removing the unnecessary noise and chaos that comes with a disorganized financial landscape. By streamlining our paperwork, we create space for clarity and focus. It's like clearing out the cobwebs in our minds, allowing us to think more clearly and make better decisions. 2. Peace of mind. Have you ever experienced that nagging feeling of uncertainty when you can't find an important document? It's like a constant weight on your shoulders, isn't it? Well, my friends, decluttering your financial records can alleviate that burden. When everything is neatly organized and easily accessible, you can breathe a sigh of relief, knowing that you have control over your financial life. And let me tell you, that peace of mind is priceless. 3. Reflection. Decluttering your financial records is not just about tidying up physical papers, it's also an opportunity for reflection. As you go through your financial history, you can gain valuable insights into your spending habits, patterns, and even your values. It's a chance to evaluate what truly matters to you and align your financial choices with your purpose and passions. Remember, my friends, every dollar you spend is a vote for the kind of world you want to live in. 4. Empowerment. When we take charge of our financial records, we reclaim our power. We become active participants in our financial journey, rather than passive bystanders. By organizing our paperwork, we gain a deeper understanding of our financial situation, enabling us to make informed decisions and take control of our financial destiny. It's a small step towards financial empowerment, my friends, but it's a step worth taking. So, my friends, as we wrap up this contemplative journey into the world of decluttering your financial records, I want to leave you with a challenge. Take a moment to assess your financial landscape. Are your records in disarray? If so, I encourage you to embark on this transformative journey of decluttering. Embrace the simplicity, find peace of mind, reflect on your values, and empower yourself to live a truly prosperous life. And remember, if you found this video insightful and thought-provoking, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Together, we can create a community of individuals who strive for financial harmony and personal well-being. Until next time, my friends, stay wealthy and well.